This time Ta-K will make Omurice, an omelette rice dish popular with children.
Oh. It's exciting.
First, make chicken rice. First, fry chicken. Next, fry onions. Fry rice and add ketchup. Ketchup is hard to mix when you put it in the rice, so it was easier to mix when you put it in the chicken first. Ta-K forgets to add the carrots, so fry them separately and mix them in. Finally, chop the bell pepper. Stir fry them with omelette rice. The chicken rice is done. Prepare the egg rolls. Beat 3 eggs and add 1 tablespoon of milk and mayonnaise. Mix well without whisking. Remove any shells or lumps from the eggs with a sieve. Add 20 grams of butter first. Reduce the heat to low and add the eggs. Turn the eggs. When the eggs are cooked, place them on the chicken rice. The eggs will set quickly in the pan's residual heat. This time, however, the eggs got hard while I was not paying attention.
Oh no!
Cover with ketchup sauce. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.